Hello dears and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahil. In this video with Google Sheets we are going to learn how to give a name range and how we can go to that range. So first we are going to select this range in Google Sheets. Then we need to go to this data menu and click on name it ranges. It's going to open this panel and we're going to give it a name. My pan. You can change the range and we're going to click on done. Now we're going to close this, so you can click anywhere on the sheet. And if I want to go to the specific ranges, so I need to click on accessibility and click on go to range. Now here I can give it a name, my pan, and hit enter. So automatically you can go to that range. So this is how we can set a range with Google Sheets, and you can just click on accessibility menu to go to that range. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.